Well, I had some stuff planned for today, but let me explain to you about liberal courts. Okay, I have told y'all before about my brother-in-law's situation, about his daughter from Mexico and her mom being was deported because she's violent, right? And so she's, she was deported back to Mexico for destruction of public property, and she took my brother-in-law's daughter with her, and he kept her away for like 3 or 4 years. And it's really messed up. Well, so anyhow, we had power of attorney. I'm really upset today. We've had power of attorney for her because my brother-in-law's a truck driver. And, like my wife grew up in San Antonio, the big city, and my brother-in-law, he's a half-brother. Grew up along the border, and there just isn't a lot of kind of a scholastic achievement. They're very superstitious there. He's had a witch cast a spell on him. And honestly, I talked to him and his girlfriend, and this is like the Mexican culture. It's horrible. That what happens. So I'm on the railroad track again. So Xiomara, the cute little girl, my cute little niece, little sweetheart, she's at school today, and I live north of San Antonio, and I told my brother-in-law not to even, don't even go down there and give them any kind of information, okay? Don't. They're just going to use it against you. And and he goes, I want to cooperate and get this court stuff over with. And and by then when he's saying that, they've worn him down. And because it's just expensive, and the mom's not even in Texas, not even in the United States, or allowed to be. She's on the porous border, okay? And she's not protected by the Constitution. And anyhow, today my niece went to school, and they drove 5 hours from Hidalgo County up here to the United States, up here to just where I live, and had the police jerk her out of school. But the funny thing about it is that mom can't get past the checkpoints, so they gave her this is how screwed up the Hispanic culture can be down there on, poor, very, believe in witchcraft, but they gave custody to a non-family member, okay? A non-family member, okay? And that's screwed up. And so anyhow, So they scare the shit out of my niece. She's in a school, and they've been trying to do everything. And I told my brother-in-law to cut fucking conversation with them a long time ago, and he goes, nah, they're cool. They're being nice to me. And I go, no, they're not, dude. They're getting information from it, because they tried to do it to us. And I told my wife, I go, don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. And you know, so and this judge, and it's liberal down there. This judge, he signed an order to pick up my niece here north of San Antonio and give custody to a resident person who is not any relation to her. None. And it's the same address. Here, hold on. It's the same address that that they supposedly served him at when he has his address up here at my house. And you know, it's messed up. And you know, so, but we tried to explain to the brother-in-law, I go, well, if you don't want to do anything additional, then don't do anything, then don't help him, you know? And he's like, well, I just want to get this over with. And we told you have them serve you in San Antonio, okay? And she's had residence here for a while. And they just won't, they won't, you know, these, and this lady, the mother of this lady, is one of them curanderos, and I heard that she literally gets thousands and thousands of dollars to do witchcraft, and apparently is in the pocket or this judge is in her pocket because he believes in that stuff. And you know, and she has like political influence because she gives all this fortune out to people. And that's how they believe down there, man. It's very crazy. And so this judge didn't want a hex being cast on him. And so he signed this order. Seriously. I mean, that's got to be it, dude, because, I mean, he's risking his life. And it's horrible. So I'm kind of sad today because I love my little niece. She was a little cutie pie, and we enjoyed having her in the house. But you know, part of the problem was the reason is my brother-in-law. I mean, really, he's literally like he looks, you know, he's very headstrong, Native American looking dude, and his daughter looks like a little looks like Pocahontas or something, you know. She's like that. She's like Aztec, descended from Aztecs, and very, very, very messed up. So, this judge is horrible, and I can't believe that this has happened. So anyhow, that's what's going on in my world, man. We got Marley, finally a year old. What's today? The March 2nd. So, but I'm very depressed about my niece, and you know, I mean, she was kind of a bright spot, you know, with my sister, because she really is just a sweetheart, and she liked to play and do things, and she was making friends. I don't know. It's kind of screwed up. But anyhow. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below.